How to delete a post on Threads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete a post on Threads. For this, launch open the Threads app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, if you want to delete a post, all you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, all of your posts will be shown over here. If you want to delete any one of that, simply tap it open. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here, you have the option of delete. Go ahead and tap on this. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the delete option in this way. Now this process will take some time. As you can see here, it shows content not available, which means that this post has been successfully deleted. Now, if you simply refresh it, as you can see, the post has been deleted. Now, if you do not want to delete this post, you also have the option to archive it. Tap on these three dots and then tap on the archive option. If you archive your post, then it will no longer be shown on your profile anymore. However, if you want in the future, you can again tap on the archive option and then unarchive this. And after you do this, it will again be visible in your profile. So if you want to simply temporarily remove the post, you can archive it instead of deleting it. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.